Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to make the Lego man hands here. And the nice thing with the hands is, well, if you make one, you made the other one because they're the exact same part, and we only need to make one. So let's come up here to File. We're going to do a new standard millimeter part here, hit Create. We're going to start a 2D sketch on this plane right here. And then we're going to take our circle tool, and we are going to draw out a circle with a diameter of 2.2. Let's zoom in. And then we're going to go ahead and finish our sketch, our 2D sketch, and turn it into a 3D object by hitting extrude. And we're going to extrude that guy 5.6 millimeters. Okay, hit OK. Now we want to come on over here and we're going to do an offset from plane. So we're going to do a plane offset from this guy. And we're going to go the other way, minus 1.1 millimeters. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and start a sketch on here. And let's project the geometry of this circle. So go click on Project Geometry and click on the circle. And we're going to offset it 0.1. All right, and so we're good. Let's go ahead and finish our sketch. Now we're going to extrude it the other way, a distance of 1.2. Excuse me, 0.2. So 0.2 millimeters. All right, and if you've seen the Lego hand, you'll notice there's a little rib part on it here. And that's basically what we're making. And we're going to go ahead and do a chamfer on that guy, a distance of 0.1. So, okay, hit apply. And then while we're on it, we're going to go ahead and add a fillet on the edge here. And we're going to make that fillet, okay, 0.2. Hit apply. Okay, looks pretty good. All right, now we're going to go ahead and start a 2D sketch on this face right here. And then once again, we're going to project geometry of that guy. And then we're going to offset it, zoom in, a distance of 0.2. Okay, finish sketch. And we're going to extrude that guy and that guy a distance of 3 millimeters. Hit OK. All right, so now we got to start working on the actual hand portion of this part here. And that's going to involve using some complex planes. So what we want to do is we want to come on over here and we want to select angle to plane around edge. So go ahead and select that. Then we're going to select our YZ plane, and then we're going to select our Y axis. Okay, make sure you expand the origin here. Okay, you click on this little caret, and once again you select YZ plane in the Y axis, and we're going to change that to 20 degrees and hit the check mark. Okay, and then we're going to do another plane offset from this guy. All right, and we're going to do a distance of a negative distance of 5.3. Okay, and hit our check mark. All right, now we're going to go ahead and start a 2D sketch on this plane we just created. All right, and we're going to project geometry of a couple features here. We want that, and we'll do that side because we're going to need those to dimension here in a second. Now we're going to draw a circle here, out here with a diameter of 4.9 millimeters. Hit enter. And now we need to tell Autodesk where we want this circle. Well, we're going to dimension it from this guy to this guy, a distance of 3.6. And then we're going to tell the center of the circle we want it from this side, a distance of 1.3. Okay, now we're fully constrained. We can finish our sketch. And we can extrude this guy a distance of 4.5 millimeters. Hit OK. Okay, and looks pretty good. Now that that's done, I'm going to turn off the visibility of some of these. Okay, so it's a little easier to work with and less clutter. Okay. All right, now we need to go ahead and hollow out our Lego arm here. So we're going to start a 2D sketch on that surface. Okay, we're going to project geometry of this guy, and we're going to offset that circle a distance of 0.9. All right, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to just grab our line tool right around here. We're going to draw a line out, and we don't want to make it tangent. Okay, and then we're going to trim this guy. And what we need to do now is go, let's see here, we need to add some dimensions in here. So from this side to this side, from the center of our circle to the side of our square there, we're going to make that a distance of 1.5. Okay, and the same thing here, 1.5. And then we are going to, let's see here, go ahead and dimension this distance from here to here and hit the check mark. Okay, I'm actually going to change this. I'm going to make this 1.4 and 1.4 here. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and finish our sketch. And we are going to extrude this part. We're going to go the other way, and we're going to make sure it says cut, because we're going to remove material, and we're going to hit OK. And there we go. There is our Lego arm with this portion hollowed out. All right, let's come back over here to our planes, and we're going to do a plane offset from that guy, a distance of 3 millimeters. Okay, and let's start a sketch on it. And now I'm going to kind of rotate it. Well, let's see here. Let's project some geometry here. And we're going to draw a line. Let's see here. We're going to now put an arc between those two. We're going to just give it any dimension for now, because we're going to dimension this guy to this guy as 2.5. And same thing here, this guy to that side. And it looks like we're good. That green dot showed up, so we put a constraint on there. Now we just need to, let's go ahead and make this guy tangent to that guy. Okay, and looks good. Let's go ahead and finish our sketch. We're going to extrude that guy the other way, and we're going to cut. And we need it to go all the way through. So we're just going to pick, oh, well, go to all. And there we go. Hit OK. Okay, it looks pretty good. Now let's go ahead and take our visibility off of that plane. And same thing with this one. And let's give it a nice yellow color here. All right, looks good. All right, don't forget to save your work. Please like and subscribe if you felt like this video helped you, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.